Happy Pride Month and happy Jurassic June. This critter right here is known as Brontosaurus, a genus of herbivorous sauropod dinosaur that lived in North America during the late Jurassic period, some 156 to 146 million years ago. The first remains, consisting of a fairly complete skeleton, was recovered from Como Bluff, Wyoming in 1879 by William Harlow Reed, who named it Brontosaurus excelsus, meaning thunder lizard in Greek. Despite being one of the most complete sauropod skeletons known at the time, the Brontosaurus type specimen, along with another found in 1880, lacked skulls. In 1903, Elmer S. Riggs argued that Brontosaurus was so similar to Apatosaurus that it should become a synonym. However, when the first skeleton of Apatosaurus was mounted at the American Museum of Natural History in 1905, it bore the name Brontosaurus. In additional confusion, because no skulls were known of these animals, a facsimile was constructed based off of Camarasaurus and Brachiosaurus, which gave the mount a truly bizarre shaped head. This one mounted skeleton is the reason why so much controversy would exist over the dinosaur over the next 100 years. It was not until 1975 a study redescribing the skull and jaws of Apatosaurus and Diplodocus was published that things would really get moving into a more accurate reconstruction. In 1995, the original Brontosaurus mount from 1905 finally got a skull revision to be like that of Apatosaurus, and was also now named Apatosaurus excelsus. For the best part of a century, the majority of paleontologists agreed that the opinion of Elmer S. Riggs that Brontosaurus should be a synonym of Apatosaurus. One notable exception, however, was Robert T. Bacher, who in 1998 argued that Apatosaurus and Brontosaurus were distinct. Bacher would be proven right in 2015 when an extremely in-depth sauropod study concluded by Emmanuel Chescorp, Octavio Mantis, and Roger Benson found that the Brontosaurus type species Brontosaurus excelsus was in fact a valid genus. Reaching around 62 to 72 feet or 19 to 22 meters in length and 30,000 to 38,000 pounds or 13,600 to 17,250 kilograms in weight, Brontosaurus was a large, long-necked quadrupedal animal with a long tail terminating in a whip-like structure. The cervical vertebrae are notably extremely robust and heavily built in contrast to its lightly built relatives Diplodocus and Barosaurus, and the forelimbs were short and stout, whereas the hind limbs were elongated and thick. All signs that Brontosaurus was a remarkably strong and muscular creature.